In today's era, humanity is progressing in various sectors, including agriculture. This advancement aims to facilitate the work of farmers, enabling them to improve both the quality and quantity of their harvests. Not only that, but with the development of technology in the agricultural field, farmers will find it much easier to manage their land. Therefore, various companies continuously develop agricultural tools to be beneficial when used. One of these tools is the Massey Ferguson WR265. This is a futuristic lawnmower equipped with a digital panel for its operation. Remarkably, even though this machine is just a lawnmower, Massey Ferguson provides a luxurious cabin for its operators. This certainly offers comfort for farmers while they work on their fields. It doesn't just rely on that feature alone. This tool is also claimed to be able to automatically control the header for specific cutting and conditioning tasks. Additionally, this capability is supported by an AGCO power engine with 280 horsepower at 1,950 revolutions per minute, making it quite agile in rough terrains. Moreover, its engine capacity supports its load capacity when operated on agricultural land. Impressively, this tool is also claimed to be quite efficient in fuel consumption, thus minimizing the operational cost increases. It is no wonder that farmers worldwide use this lawnmower to clear their land. For handling a variety of other tasks, modern farmers often turn to a tool known as the Case IH Vestrum CVX. This machine is a compact tractor that packs a powerful punch in its operations. How could it not? This piece of equipment is equipped with an engine that boasts a power range from 100 to 130 horsepower to drive its large wheels. In fact, several experts have hailed the Vestrum CVX as the best tractor in its class. One of the features that make it exceptional is its luxurious cabin design, which ensures anyone operating it will feel comfortable. However, it's not just the luxurious cabin that stands out. This tractor also boasts the impressive continuously variable CVX drive transmission, allowing for smooth direction changes even when carrying heavy loads. Moreover, this specialized transmission is claimed to enhance the tractor's operational smoothness and efficiency. Additionally, farmers can quickly complete their tasks thanks to its top speed of 40 kilometers per hour. Despite these high-performance capabilities, it remains fuel efficient, making it an economical choice as well. On the other hand, if the land being worked on by farmers spans thousands of hectares, the Seed Hawk becomes an ideal choice. This tool is essentially a large-scale soil cultivator designed for extensive land areas. Surprisingly, this equipment can also be utilized on smaller plots of land. This versatility is due to its foldable soil cultivator, which allows it to operate in narrow fields. This flexibility certainly provides convenience for farmers when tilling their land. Besides tilling the soil, this tool is also capable of simultaneously sowing seeds. This dual functionality significantly increases the efficiency of the farmer's work. Not only is it efficient, but operating the Seed Hawk also reduces operational costs. This efficiency arises because farmers no longer need to deploy additional equipment for seed sowing on already tilled land. Consequently, the process of planting seeds becomes more streamlined and quicker, enhancing overall productivity. Now, after farmers plant the seeds, the Fendt Roger 900 takes over the next crucial task. But what exactly is this machine? From the video provided, you might guess that this device is a crop sprayer. While it might seem ordinary for small fields, the Roger 900 is incredibly helpful for managing large-scale fields. And retinus. This is because the machine boasts a spraying range that is impressively wide. This wide coverage ensures that farmers can complete their watering tasks more efficiently. Moreover, the operational costs of managing farmland are significantly reduced. This is because the Roger 900 can also perform fertilizing and pest control tasks. As a result, this machine offers great convenience to farmers worldwide. However, if that isn't impressive enough, there is an even more advanced machine compared to the Roger 900. This machine is called the Veric Quad. The Veric Quad is essentially a multifunctional vehicle for the agricultural sector. Its design is meticulously crafted, evident from its specifications that include a powerful engine generating 550 horsepower, enabling it to maneuver its large wheels across all types of terrain. Additionally, with a tank capacity of 22 cubic meters, it has become quite popular among farmers. Furthermore, thanks to its powerful engine, it can travel at speeds ranging from 5 to 15 kilometers per hour. This capability represents a significant advancement for agricultural vehicles globally. Moreover, the Veric Quad boasts a maximum capacity of up to 13,500 cubic meters per minute, making it highly reliable during operation. This versatility allows the vehicle to be used for various crops and functions. It must be acknowledged that the agricultural sector is already filled with various tools to support land management, starting from the planning process, management, to the harvesting process. One quite advanced harvesting tool is called the Sado TDI. The Sado TDI is an innovative coffee harvesting tool that offers numerous benefits to coffee farmers. One of the key benefits is the significantly shorter harvest time, which also requires minimal energy. Not only that, but the use of this tool is also claimed to reduce harvesting costs, thereby providing substantial financial benefits to coffee farmers. Additionally, its flexibility to operate in challenging topographical terrains makes it highly sought after by coffee plantation managers. However, the main advantage of using this tool is the time efficiency. This is because when the harvesting period is completed quickly, the recovery process of the coffee plants is also faster. Consequently, the next harvesting season can commence sooner. In contrast, there is this tool named Novacat Alpha Motions. This device is a modern, high-speed grass cutter. This tool is extremely useful when farmers need to clear large-scale agricultural land. It features a smaller 3-point headstock with a working width of between 2 and 62 hundredths meters to 3 and 46 hundredths meters. With such dimensions, this tool can be deployed with small-sized tractors. Furthermore, this tool can perform its tasks even on terrain with a certain slope. In addition, the Novacat Alpha Motions is also claimed to be lighter in weight. This means that operating this tool will be much easier for maneuvering. Impressively, thanks to its advanced technology, this tool can be operated even in extreme soil conditions. Certainly, this capability will provide farmers with ease in managing their fields. However, one of the most impressive tools in the agricultural sector is the Crone swadro. This tool is a rotary rake with side storage. Moreover, Crone, the company that manufactures this tool, claims that the swadro is the largest side rake in the world. It has an operational range between 3.5 meters and 9 7/10 meters. This capability certainly makes farmers work faster and more efficient. Additionally, with a raking engine power of 50 horsepower, it is quite powerful in its operation. Furthermore, due to its meticulous design, the Crone swadro can turn up to 20 degrees. Its ability to lift the rake tines also makes it quite operable in narrow fields.